Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share how to convert video to GIF animation. At first I open my web browser and then browse the site acenet.com. Go to the image converter and enter the video to GIF. To upload a video file, click on the Upload a Video and select a video file from your computer device. When uploaded video, then I open this video, select start time and end time. You can select animated image height, width and frames per second. Now press on the convert now. After converted this video to GIF animation, click on the download, then download this animated GIF. Thank you for watching this video. If this video will help you, please subscribe to my channel, get more update videos.